Hi, it's been a busy couple of days here in the Vangear factory. We're producing our modular systems this week. This is the high back unit. And over here we have our maxi units. Remember, the maxi unit, the table can be stored inside of the unit. We've produced the whole run of our modular system. Over here we have the wheel arch units with the cradle for the domestic cooler for those units. And then over here we have our latest unit, which is the Combi 3. It's the latest version of our Combi range. This one features a can hob, but this time it has a tambour door instead of the clip-on table. This type of unit, where only 720 wide, is ideal for the California beach and that type of van.
Our Vangear Maxi unit for a front-loading fridge features the Dometic 9222 combined sink and hob unit. We have installed the Vito C39i compressor fridge. This is a high-performance compressor fridge. The Maxi unit can be a standalone unit or combined as part of our modular system. The unit is 1 meter wide, 4 20mm deep.